Kids, I am Priyanka and I'm back again with my new question and answer round on a winter night. The first para, short answers type. To whom did Halku and his wife owe money? हल्कू और उसकी पत्नी ने किससे रुपए उधार लिए थे? हल्कू and his wife owned money to Sona and money lenders. हल्कू तथा उसकी पत्नी ने सोना महाजन से रुपए उधार लिए थे. How much money did हल्कू give? हल्कू के पास कितने रुपए थे? हल्कू have only 3 rupees. हल्कू के पास केवल 3 रुपए थे. How did हल्कू wife want to spend his money? हल्कू की पत्नी उसे धन को कैसे खर्च करना चाहती थी? हल्कू वाइफ wanted to spend it in buying a blanket for हल्कू. हल्कू की पत्नी हल्कू के लिए इन्हें एक कंबल खरीदने में खर्च करना चाहती थी. Why did हल्कू not buy a blanket? हल्कू ने कंबल क्यों नहीं खरीदा? हल्कू did not buy a blanket because he had to repay the debt of the money lender. He did not have enough money with him for both the purpose. हल्कू ने कंबल इसलिए नहीं खरीदा क्योंकि उसे महाराज का कर्ज चुकाना था. उसके पास दोनों कार्यों के लिए पर्याप्त धन नहीं था. Why did हल्कू वाइफ want हल्कू to give up farming? हल्कू की पत्नी क्यों चाहती थी कि हल्कू खेती छोड़ दे? हल्कू वाइफ wanted हल्कू to give up farming because it did not give them enough food to eat. हल्कू की पत्नी चाहती थी कि हल्कू खेती छोड़ दे क्योंकि यह उन्हें खाने के लिए पर्याप्त भोजन नहीं देती थी. Who enjoyed the fruits of labors of the farmers? किसानों की मेहनत के फल का आनंद कौन लेता था? The rich landowners enjoyed the fruit of laborers of farmer. धनी जमींदार किसानों की मेहनत का फल और आनंद लेते थे. Why did हल्कू smoke his clay pipe 10 times? हल्कू ने 10 बार चिल्लम क्यों पी? हल्कू smoked his clay pipe 10 times in order to keep away the cold. हल्कू ने 10 बार चिल्लम ठंड दूर करने के लिए पी. Why did हल्कू think about his rich owners? हल्कू धनी जमींदार के बारे में क्या सोचता था? हल्कू thought that the rich landowner got the money to buy blanket from the poor mud people like him who worked hard and suffered. Landowners kept on guard getting rich. What 3 things did हल्कू did to keep himself warm at night? हल्कू ने उस रात स्वयं को गर्म रखने के लिए कौन कौन से तरीके लिए? हल्कू smoked his clay pipe again and again to keep himself warm. He made his dog sleep near me. He collected dry mango leaves from the orchard and burned them. हल्कू ने स्वयं को गर्म रखने के लिए बार बार चिल्लम पी. उसे कुत्ते को अपने पास सुलाया. उसने बाग में आम की सूखी पत्तियों इकट्ठे की और उन्हें जलाया. What did हल्कू wife tell him when he woke up? जब हल्कू जागा तब उसकी पत्नी ने उसे क्या बताया? When Halku wife woke up, his wife said to him, "Look, the little cattle have eaten up all the crops. You should have kept a watch." जब हल्कू जागा तब उसकी पत्नी ने उसे कहा, देखो जानवर सभी फसल खा गए हैं, तुम्हें चौकसी रखनी चाहिए थी. Short answers questions. Give example to show that Jhabra loved हल्कू. उदाहरण देकर स्पष्ट कीजिए कि झबरा हल्कू को प्यार करता था. Jhabra was a pet dog of Halku. He remained with Halku on his field on the cold night winter. Jhabra was lying under the coat of Halku. Halku tried to sleep. As he stretched himself, he shivered. Since he could think himself of nothing else, he took Jhabra and made him slept asleep next to him. They kept both of them warm. Jhabra barked and they ran from one corner to the field to another to drive away the animals. Halku thought when Jhabra was there, no one could enter the field. Jhabra was faithful to Halku. झबरा हल्कू का पालतू कुत्ता था. वह हल्कू के साथ खेत पर रहता था. सर्दी की एक ठंड रात में झबरा हल्कू की चारपाई के नीचे लेटा हुआ था. हल्कू ने सोने की कोशिश की. जैसे ही उसे अपनी टांग फैलाई, उसे ठंड की कपकपी चढ़ गई. जब उसे कुछ नहीं सूझा तो उसने झबरा को उठाया और अपने पास सुला लिया. उन दोनों को गर्माहट मिली. झबरा जानवर को भागने के लिए मौका तथा खेत में एक कोने से दूसरे कोने में दौड़ा. हल्कू ने सोचा कि जब झबरा वहाँ है तो कोई भी उसके खेत में नहीं घुस सकता. झबरा हल्कू के प्रति वफादार था. Why did Halku say I had a stomach ache? Halku ने ऐसा क्यों कहा मेरे पेट में दर्द था? Halku said these words to calm down the anger of his wife because he could not guard his field from the cattle at night due to laziness and bitter cold. Halku did not seem to be unhappy when the cattle had eaten up all his crop. Why? जब जानवर हल्कू के खेत सारी फसल खा गया, हल्कू दुखी क्यों नहीं दिखाई गया? Halku was a poor farmer. He had to work in his field in cold winter night. He had no wooden clothes, no woolen coats, no gills or blanket. He wrapped himself in old cotton sheets to keep himself warm. In fact, cold winters, as he stretched himself, he shivered. He was busy in keeping him warm. Jabra tried its best to drive away the cattle from the field, but it failed. When the cattle had eaten up all the crops, Halku did not seem to be unhappy because he thought that he was soon going to be a laborer and he could be no longer have to sleep in an open cold night. Why did Halku take a sigh of relief? Halku ने चैन की सांस क्यों ली? When Halku woke up, he saw the cattle had eaten up the standing crop. Now he had to work as a laborer. Halku don't look unhappy. He took a sign of relief because he thought that he would not have to sleep in an open cold night. जब हल्कू जागा उसने देखा कि पशु उसकी खड़ी फसलों को खा चुका है। अब उसे मजदूरी के रूप में कार्य करना पड़ेगा। हल्कू दुखी नहीं दिखाई दिया क्योंकि उसे चैन की सांस दी, क्योंकि अब उसे रात की तरह खुले में नहीं सोना पड़ेगा। हाउ वॉज वर्किंग इज लेबर बेटर देन अ फार्मिंग फॉर हल्कू? हल्कू के लिए मजदूरी के रूप में कार्य करना खेती से बेहतर कैसे था? हल्कू वॉज अ स्मॉल फार्मर. He was tenant of a landowner. The landowner exploited the farmer beyond limit. Halku did not get a fair share of his field products. The landowner had a lion's share in his production. Halku needed money for the farming. He had to borrow money from the moneylender, but he could not return money. He was in debt. So working as a laborer was better than farming for Halku. What role did Jabra play in the story? कहानी में झबरा का क्या भूमिका निभाई? Jabra was a pet dog of Halku. He remained with Halku on his field. Jabra plays important roles too of close friend and help to Halku. He guard his field, makes him keep happy, warm in the cold night. Moreover, Halku became dependent on Jabra, who is quite faithful to him. Compare the conditions of हल्कू with that of modern farmer. हल्कू की स्थिति आधुनिक किसानों से कैसे ताल्लुक कीजिए? हल्कू was a farmer of age of zamindari system. India was not a free country. The landowner were to be agents of British government. They had a power. Tenant could not stand before them. A modern farmer, enjoyed the agrarian reforms of our popular government. He himself is the owner of the field. Halko borrowed money from the farming from moneylenders like Sona at a high rate of interest. Now the modern farmer gets seeds and fertilizers from agricultures or cooperative stores. He returned the money after harvest. Gave him credit loans at low rate of interest. And that was all about this question answer round. Thank you.